The creaming technique with softened butter is the traditional way to make white chocolate chip macadamia nut cookies, but browning the butter first with a fresh vanilla bean and brandy adds an interesting depth of flavor to the cookies. This recipe makes 3 dozen 40-gram cookies and takes less than an hour to prepare, not including chilling time. Start with vanilla brandy brown butter because it takes the longest to cool. Sauté 250 grams butter with a split vanilla bean until the butter turns darker and the milk solids start to brown. Turn off the heat and add an ounce of good quality Solera style brandy, which will bubble up as it deglazes the bottom of the pan. Cover with a lid and cool to room temperature or at least an hour to infuse these complex flavors into the butter. Then finely chop 200 grams macadamia nuts, season with a little salt, and roast in a 350 Fahrenheit oven until starting to brown, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This will bring the oil to the surface and refresh the flavor in the macadamia nuts. Spiced icing sugar is another technique that adds more complex flavors and allows the spices to be more evenly absorbed into the dough. So grind a dried vanilla bean and 10 cardamom pods with 100 grams turbinado sugar, sifting out any lumps. The cookie dough can then be assembled when the brown butter and roasted macadamia nuts have cooled to room temperature. In a small bowl, sieve 200 grams pastry flour, 60 grams barley malt, 5 grams baking soda, 5 grams salt, and set the bowl aside. In a larger bowl, mix 3 large eggs with 200 grams brown sugar, the vanilla cardamom icing sugar, the brown butter with the vanilla bean removed, and the chopped macadamia nuts until smooth. Fold in the flour mixture and chill the dough completely before distributing 300 grams white chocolate chips evenly, and again chill the dough for another 2 hours or overnight to fully hydrate the flour. Then portion into 40-gram cookie dough pucks and refrigerate or freeze until you want freshly baked cookies. When the cookie dough pucks are room temperature, spread them evenly on a silicone-lined baking tray, allowing room for them to spread, and bake in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for 11 to 13 minutes. The cookies are done when they are spread out flat and are browned around the edges, but look slightly undercooked in the center.